Using a 15mm socket, go ahead and put it on this bolt right here. And we're going to go ahead and rotate this clockwise, take the tension off the system here, take that belt, and just loosen that up. Using a 13mm deep socket, I'm going to remove this center bolt right here. And remove that tensioner. So before installation, you want to use your indexing slot here and line it up with the bolt down below. So go ahead and set that up and in there. Make sure that it sits flat up against the block. And then insert your bolt and thread that in as far as you can. Once you have that snug down, you want to go ahead and torque it down to 30 foot-pounds. Once you have the belt lined up, go ahead and bring your tensioner on up. There you go.